Welcome! In this short video, we'll walk through how to get Bloks installed on Windows and set up in just a few minutes. To get started, head to the Bloks website or landing page. Once you're there, go ahead and choose Download for Windows. Your installer will begin downloading, usually into your Downloads folder. When it's finished, open the file and launch the installer to begin the setup. Bloks will immediately start installing. You'll see a progress window, and this typically takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Once installation is complete, the Bloks application will open automatically. From here, you'll be prompted to sign in. Select Sign in with Google or Microsoft, then authenticate using your account. Next, you'll be asked to approve a few permissions. By default, Bloks requests read access to your calendar and contacts. These are used to generate your pre-meeting briefs, giving you valuable context before every conversation. Go ahead and accept. Bloks will briefly relaunch, and then you'll be taken straight into the app. You'll now be asked to choose your default language as well as your preferred color theme, light mode, dark mode, or matching your system settings. And just like that, you're up and running. Bloks is now connected to your calendar and contacts, ready to prepare you for meetings and capture conversations. If you'd like to enhance those pre-meeting briefs and extend Ask Bloks even further, you can also connect your email. To do that, head to Settings, then select Accounts. Here, you'll see the option to grant read access to email. This allows Bloks to include relevant email history alongside past meetings and conversations, making your briefs even richer. Once accepted, you'll see confirmation in Settings that Bloks now has access to your calendar, contacts, and email. These sources work together to create powerful, detailed pre-meeting briefs, so you always walk into conversations fully prepared. And that's it. You're ready to go with Bloks on Windows.